Imagine a world where machines not only build your products, but also think, learn, and optimize themselves to do it better each day. This is not science fiction. It's the burgeoning reality of AI and manufacturing 4.0. At the heart of this revolution is artificial intelligence, playing a transformative role in reshaping how we create and deliver goods, pushing the boundaries of efficiency and innovation. Manufacturing 4.0, often referred to as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, marks the convergence of physical and digital systems. AI is central to this transformation, acting as the brain behind smart factories. It processes vast amounts of data generated by advanced sensors and IoT devices, extracting insights that human minds would struggle to deduce. By learning from this data, AI can predict maintenance needs, optimize supply chains, and even autonomously adjust production lines to avoid potential bottlenecks. This results in a significant reduction of downtime and waste, propelling industries into a new era of productivity. Let's delve into a practical example to understand how AI is being harnessed in a real-world scenario. Consider a car manufacturing plant, a bustling hub of activity where precision and timing are everything. In this environment, AI systems analyze data from every phase of production. For instance, AI algorithms use machine learning to monitor the wear and tear of machinery components. By predicting when a part is likely to fail, the system can schedule maintenance at the most opportune time, preventing costly production halts. Moreover, AI optimizes the entire supply chain by predicting demand more accurately. By analyzing market trends, historical data, and even social media sentiment, AI can forecast which models are likely to be in demand, allowing manufacturers to adjust their production schedules accordingly. This predictive capability helps in reducing excess inventory and ensuring that the right amount of materials is ordered and used, further cutting costs and minimizing waste. In another fascinating application, AI-driven robots on the assembly line work alongside human workers, enhancing productivity. These robots are not just programmed to perform repetitive tasks. They learn and adapt to new processes, improving over time. They can quickly switch tasks, ensuring that production remains flexible and responsive to changes in demand. This human-machine collaboration exemplifies the potential of AI to augment rather than replace human labor, offering a glimpse into a more harmonious industrial future. Reflecting on the broader impacts, the integration of AI into manufacturing heralds both immense opportunities and notable challenges. On one hand, the efficiency and precision brought by AI can lead to economic growth, job creation in tech sectors, and a more sustainable approach to manufacturing. On the other hand, it raises concerns about job displacement for workers whose tasks become automated, demanding a societal shift towards retraining and education. Looking ahead, the future of AI in manufacturing is both promising and complex. As AI continues to evolve, we might see even greater levels of autonomy where factories are capable of self-optimization and self-repair without human intervention. However, this leap necessitates careful ethical considerations regarding data privacy and the autonomy of AI systems. The path forward requires a balance between embracing innovation and safeguarding the human elements of industry. In this new manufacturing landscape, the role of AI isn't just to serve as a tool, but as a catalyst for redefining what is possible, ultimately transforming the very fabric of industrial operations worldwide.